Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Love by Nat King Cole. This song was suggested to me by Michael. Thank you, Michael, for your suggestion. Now if anybody else wants to leave me any song requests, just put them in the comment section down below. Now keep in mind that this is a simplified version of the song. I've simplified the song down to easier chords to play so that beginners can pick up and learn this song easily. All right, now let's go ahead and get started.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore, and love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
So as I said at the beginning, I am playing a simplified version of this song. I'm only going to be using 4 chords for this song. I'm using the G chord, the C add 9 chord, the A minor 7 chord, and D over F sharp. If you wanted to get more fancy with the song, you could add some more 7th chords in there. For instance, the G chord for the phrase V is very, very extraordinary. What we could do is we could go from G to G7 right there. When we say V, and that would be a nice little addition we could add. And then from there we go to the C, and then instead of going to A minor 7 for the 4th phrase, what we could do is go to A7, okay, so A major 7 instead of A minor 7. And then at the end of that phrase, instead of going to D over F sharp, we could do a traditional D to D7, like that. Okay. All right, so this whole song is just that verse and chorus. I just played it one time, but you can just repeat it again, right? The original song, they do some instrumental parts after it, and then they just repeat the song again. All right, if you'd like to get the chord chart for this song, you can click on the link right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. All right, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.